Alright, so shooting a short instructional video on how to change the backlight bulbs in the switches on a Volvo 850 or 240 or S80. Some of them use a lot of the same bulbs in the back of these. So pretty much after you use a screwdriver to pry this out of the dashboard, if you look on the back of it, you'll find there is a little white bulb fitting there. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your screwdriver in here, turn it counterclockwise, and give it a tap, and the bulb should fall right out of it. So it's a tiny mini bulb there. And what you're going to want to do on the back side here is where that bulb is. You'll see there's a little wire in there. And what you're going to do is push that wire out of that slot. Do the same with the other side. And then if you flip it over, you'll see that wire is now lifted, so you grab onto that, give it a little pull, and you'll see it. See the wire come up now, right here. Same thing on the other side. Then you're going to pull that wire straight down and out like that. Same thing with the other side. Then push up on those two wires. You'll see the bulb slide right out. And then just take that mini lamp out, just like that. Oh, I've already done a bunch of these, so I have a whole bag of these little mini bulbs. So you're going to want to take care to make sure that it's not twisted like this. If it is, just untwist the two. Just like that. Now on the inside here, you'll see there's two holes, and you're just going to drop this right into those holes. Just like that. And push it on in. And then once the bulb is in, you're going to take one lead, go to one side with it like that. Take the other lead, go to the other side like this. Come around to the top. And you're going to go up into this channel here. And then right around like that. Pull it nice and tight. And then down around like that. So you basically make a loop around that plastic tab. And then go straight out like that. Same thing with the other side. Just like that. And take a pair of wire nips. Cut off the excess. 'Cause. And then take a screwdriver and just kind of push that wire in the channel. Just like that. And there you have it. Take your switch. Press the bulb in. And then turn clockwise till it locks in. Just like that. And there you have it. New backlight in a Volvo 850 switch and other various models. Hope that helps.